The rain has now pushed out. Those concert goers, they're going to need a warm shower tonight after standing out
I
there
think
in the
so.
rain
A
and
little
cold.
chilly stuff. Much better tomorrow.
Good.
All right. A lot of sunshine all weekend long, man. And we really need it after
Nice.
what we've gone through here the last couple of days. You can take a look down there. White River State Park just waiting to get those gates back open tomorrow at midday. Big show tomorrow evening. Rihanna going to be on stage, White River State Park, and we'll have the forecast here. Let's talk about some of the rain numbers. And as expected, the heaviest amounts, Seymour, Bedford, Bloomington since midnight. Rain now long gone. Take a look at the time lapse from Morse Lake. Just some beautiful stuff from start to finish today. Had the rain in the morning, some low cloud overcast, gave way to some sunshine around midday, and we had another little batch of rain that pushed through. And as we get closer to sunset, you'll see the clouds depart, and that's going to pave the way for a sunny weekend. Both Saturday and Sunday looking really good. 37 right now in Kokomo, 41 in Muncie, 42 in Richmond, and 42 right now here in Indianapolis with wind chill values that are in the 30s, even some 20s. So a little bit of a chilly night as expected. As we look at the live numbers here, northwest wind at 14 has a little bit of a bite to it, certainly. Average high is 59. We hit 61 today, currently at 42. That's our coldest part of the day so far. I think we'll be at least in the mid-50s tomorrow. Let's plan out your Final Four Saturday. Again, sunshine, we're going to need it. We're going to be in the low 30s, I believe, at 8 o'clock. Noontime numbers in the mid-40s. As you walk into Lucas Oil, if you're going to be downtown for the festivities tomorrow, plan on about 55, 56 for a daytime high. And then as we get ready for evening, if you're going to be out on White River State Park, here's what we're expecting. A clear, comfortable evening. A bit of a breeze, west-southwest, about 10-15. That will start to fade out. You'll need the jackets. Take the jackets if you're heading down for the concerts as temperatures start to slide down into the middle 40s by midnight. But look at the future track 13 as we go through the weekend. Not much cloud cover at all. Sunday morning, Easter Sunday looks nice. We'll be in the 30s, upper 30s. A strong southwest wind. That's the big complaint on Sunday. It's going to come in at about 20 or 30 miles per hour, but it pushes temperatures up into the middle 60s. So your planner for Sunday will shape up like this. We'll start out the morning in the 30s. Sunshine again, start to finish, mid 50s by noontime, topping out at about 65 degrees for Sunday. Championship Monday here in Indianapolis shapes up like this. We'll have a chance for some showers across central Indiana, and it gets pretty active next week. Still looking like a little bit of a wet setup there on Thursday for opening night at Vic. We'll kind of fine tune the forecast here over the next 7 days.